Is it possible that you in the UK are still citizens of the EU? That's what I want to talk about in this video. I'm Mark, greetings from Germany and welcome to my channel. Well, at least some Remainers don't seem to realize that Brexit actually happened, and with Brexit all benefits of the EU have ended. On the 24th of April, lawyers filed a case with the ECJ, the European Court of Justice of the European Union, claiming that whoever was an EU citizen on the 31st of January kept that citizenship even after the UK has left the EU. And the lawyers who say they're working for a representative group of people claim that the Withdrawal Agreement, which takes the UK out of the EU, cannot remove a human right like the citizenship from UK citizens. Only the country left the EU, not the people. And that would mean if they were successful at the ECJ, the UK citizens would keep their EU citizenship, which would mean they can travel without any borders within the EU, they can work, and so on, and that would be quite remarkable. The defendant in that case is the European Council. And just to bring some clarity, this case does not fight the legality of Brexit. Brexit happened and Brexit is still reality. But this case is fighting the legality of the removal of the EU citizenship from UK citizens. They claim that it is a fundamental right and cannot be removed just by agreement between countries. And if the European Council did that while the UK was still part of the European Council, that was unlawful. They claim the EU citizenship is a citizenship like any other and cannot be taken away by an agreement between governments. And finally, the lawyers say this case asks what the EU is itself. Is it just an agreement between countries, or is it a union of European people? They got this supported by crowdfunding, by the way. Another fun fact, a British judge on the ECJ, which has to leave on the 31st of December because the UK is completely out of all parts of the EU when the withdrawal agreement ends the transition period, is suing the ECJ that she wants to stay 1 year longer as she normally would have done without Brexit. But let's get back to citizenship. The EU citizenship is not a citizenship like any other, even if there are many people who would like it to be. So there's just a EU citizenship, no national citizenship. There are these people around. I prefer the double citizenship. Citizenship of your country and citizenship of the EU if your country is a member country of the EU. The people had a say. The referendum has happened. And of course, in this referendum, and yes, even if I don't like the result, even if I say the people were lied to big time during the campaigns for the referendum was democratic. And so the people had a democratic say also about their future as EU citizens. So in that point, it's quite a weak case already. Next thing is, if they would stay EU citizens, they still wouldn't have any right to vote, so they wouldn't have the full right of EU citizens in all other countries. And a non-equal EU citizenship, so 27 have a right to vote, one don't, is not allowed by the EU treaties. So the case is breaking EU treaties, and the people had their democratic say if they want to stay EU citizens, because that was a natural part of Brexit. And the referendum has happened. The referendum was a democratic vote, whatever you say about the outcome and whatever you say about the campaign. And so this complete case is, from my point of view, a futile attempt. And if you want to know more about politics from a German point of view, I put you my next video here in the end screen. Click and enjoy. I'll see you there. Viel Spaß!